Hello. Today we draw ladies high heel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please watch the full video. Yay, it's coloring time. Red, light purple, sky blue, yellow, orange, light green, deep purple. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.